There are literally hundreds of ways to make money from home. So today I'm going to walk you through one of the most effective and proven methods that works even for newbies. Today I'm going to show you website flipping. I'm going to make it really easy so you don't have to invest a lot of money. You don't even have to invest a lot of time to make a profit from flipping websites. So for this, we're going to use two websites. The websites we're going to use are Flipper.com and Fiverr.com. So let's go ahead and create an account on Flipper so we can start selling or flipping websites that we make via Fiverr. So what we're going to do is outsource everything. We're going to make it really quick, really easy for ourselves to turn a profit. So we're going to look to Fiverr, hire someone to build the website for us. Okay, you can do it yourself if you want to, but I would really encourage you to outsource that kind of stuff if you're willing to invest, say 60, 80, 100 bucks into getting a website done for you. Think of it as a business in a box that you can just hand over to someone else. So this is Flipper.com. Now, before we get into today's tutorial, you do have to keep your finger on the pulse. You do have to keep constantly creating new websites to generate revenue. One of my friends, he's a marketer, he makes around 75 bucks a day from this method, but he is continuously investing and churning out and flipping new websites. So if you don't fancy doing that and you want a passive income method, I'm going to show you how one of my students made over £40,000 in his first 180 days online. I'll show you exactly how he did it. In fact, he used a 3-step strategy. I'm going to give it to you for free when you go to profitcopilot.com/180. Hop on that. It won't cost you a penny. So back to today's lesson. We're going to flip websites. Let's go to flipper.com and we can start selling immediately. So we click there. It's going to give us a few options that we can run through. So you might want to familiarize yourself with this. It says the world's biggest marketplace to sell your website, app, online business, domain, or tech. And then it asks you to choose which one you're going to sell. So we can choose established websites and online businesses, starter template websites, domains, or apps. We are going to go with established websites and online businesses. We have to go get the thing built. So we're going to go to Fiverr and you'll see a search bar. Now, most people will type in website or build website. What I want you to type in is something like one product Shopify store. In fact, there you can see it's automatically generated the key phrase for us because it's a popular key phrase that people in the know search for on Fiverr. So what this will show you is a lot of gigs from people who are offering to build one of these websites for you. And as you can see, the prices are pretty reasonable. Generally, they're all somewhere between 30 bucks and 120 bucks. And there's one for 30 bucks, another one 30 bucks, even one there for 24 bucks. So there you can see that when it comes to getting one of these business in a boxes built, it's really quick, it's really low investment, and all you have to do is choose the seller of your choice, get them to build the website for you, and then we can list it. I mean, let me show you an example of how your website might look on Flipper. If we go back to the home page, we're going to have a few options here. So websites, there's going to be a wide range of different websites featured on this site. What I want you to do is go to starter sites because that is where you're going to list or index your website for sale. So let's have a look at what other people are doing so you can get some inspiration or some ideas so you know what is working. So here, right down the middle, we have the business name, the website address, the .com there. Here we have the net profit. There you can see that this one is generating $893 in profit every month, and they're listing that at a buy it now price of 10,000 bucks, but the current price, the current bid is $1. So if we go down here, you can see that this one, 5am.coffee, well, the buy it now price is $1,400, just under $1,500 there, and the current bid is already $125. Now, we can spend all day going through this, but what I really want you to pay attention to is the net profit. So if we go down here, you can see how much each month each of these websites are making. And listen, I'm going to make a separate video going in depth detail showing you how to profit from these sites. So you can buy a ready-made business, invest in that, and start generating reoccurring passive income. I'll make a separate video all about that for you later on. But for now, what I want you to do is take note of the net profit, see what type of websites are doing well. And if you want to get a bit more specific, what I recommend you do is go back up to the top, look at filters, check this, Amazon, FBA, check that. Also, monthly profit, you want to increase that a little bit. So let's say $25, and then we click search. It's going to change the results here. So if your website is generating revenue, people who are using this filter, and most people do when it comes to buying sites from Flipper, well, your site is going to get listed there. You're going to get more bids. So there you can see this one is already on $104. If we go down here, that one has a current bid of $200, $300. You get this right, you really can make some decent money from it. So before we wrap up, let me just show you a few more marketplaces that you might be interested in. This is a forum called digitalpoint.com. It is huge. It's an enormous marketing forum. And if we go to the forums section, we have different tabs here. Let's scroll down to the buy, sell, or trade section. So we can list websites, domains, or we can go back up to the top tab, click marketplace, again choose sites, domains, plugins, etc. And there you will see what sites are being listed. So it might be worth your time listing your website here, or a series of websites that you want to flip. And do pay attention to the right hand side metrics here. So it's going to tell you information about the website, including the number of bids and the buy it now price. So that is Digital Point, the Digital Point forums. Let's go to another. It is called freemarket.com. So it says helping millions of entrepreneurs like you buy and sell websites, target millions of users, and make money posting your listing today. And there you can just post your website here. If you have a look here, you will see which websites are currently for sale. You will see the buy it now price, the latest bid price. So it might be worth your while getting your websites listed here as well. Let's finish up with one final one. It is called websitebroker.com. Here you can buy or sell your website. And again, it displays the most recent listings on the front page. And this one looks really interesting. This is generating $5,000 a month, and it's on sale for 20,000 K. That's a pretty good deal in my book. So you'll make your money back after, after 5 months. So 4 months to break even, 5 months to generate profit. That's pretty good. So do have a look at what the competition are doing. Look at how much they're selling their websites for in terms of how much they're generating and their page views. Traffic is so important. So really what you want to do here is make sure you have traffic coming to the website that generates income. I'm going to show you how to get traffic, because traffic equals money. Everyone knows that. So I'm going to show you how to get traffic for free to your websites when you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Grab that. It won't cost you a penny. Then you will be able to generate more revenue from flipping websites with this business model. Now, if you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit that little notification bell, and you will never miss an update from me. And I will hopefully see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care.